I am here.
What's going on here, Monica?
Why are you wearing this dress? Are you going to marry?
Papa? I am so sorry.
Don't call me Papa. Get out right now.
Please don't say like this. I am your daughter. I feel so sad.
Who are they? Who is that boy?
I am Monica's husband. We just got married.
This is your husband. You got married.
Yes, I got married. Eric is my husband.
My friend, what am I hearing? Why did you not tell us before?
How could you do this? You insulted us.
Please listen to me. I am really, really sorry.
Monica did not want to marry me. You should have told us in the first place.
I was not expecting this from you. You broke my heart.
Please don't say anything to my papa. It's my fault.
Keep your mouth shut. You have let me down in front of my friend.
Papa, I am so sorry. Please forgive me. Eric and I love each other.
Dad, why are you standing here? The situation is clear. We should go now.
You are right, my son. We should not be here.
Why are they still here?
Goodbye, Uncle.
Goodbye, my friend.
I am so sorry again.
Papa, I can't live without you. Please talk to me, Papa. You know I love you a lot. Can you forgive me, Papa? I am your daughter.
I can't stand this emotional drama. Oh God, help me. And give us her property.
Why, Monica? Why? I told you everything about them. You did not believe me.
I know, Dad. I should not have left my home, but I was helpless. Eric and I love each other.
Please, Uncle, forgive us. Monica loves you a lot. She has been crying for you.
Shut your mouth. I don't know you. Your son does not love my daughter.
I love Monica, Uncle. I will not disappoint you. For God's sake, forgive us.
I don't want to hear anything.
This old man is very strict. I wish I could kill him.
Monica, you can go now. You can stay with your husband. We don't want anything from you.
Papa, I need your blessings.
Okay. God protect you from the evil eye. Keep happy. I disinherit you, Monica.
I just need your love. I don't need your property.
Oh no, is she gone mad?
This cannot be happening.
Eric loves me, not my money.
All right then. God bless you. Go to your husband's house. I don't want to talk to you.
Uncle, you should give us a chance. Please don't do this.
I will not accept you.
I love Monica. I don't need anything.
Get out right now.
You can't insult my son. He loves your daughter.
Let's go, Eric. My papa will not forgive me.
Fine. Let's go. I have to think of a solid plan. Monica is broke now. We want Monica's property. I will not give up. I will torture Monica until that old man forgives her.
Monica has no right to her property now. Wait, she has not signed the papers yet. We have to be polite with Monica. I can't lose my house.
They are greedy people, Monica. They want your money. You made a huge mistake. I will protect you, Monica. You will see their real faces one day. They have 1 month. They can't be polite with you without money. I will not give them your money. That's why I disinherited you.
How is our boss?
He is devastated. Monica came here. He disinherited Monica.
Maybe he made the right decision. Eric is greedy.
Monica is married now. We can do anything.
Mom, are you okay?
It has been a tough day. I have a headache.
You should relax, Aunt.
How can I relax? We have to convince your dad. He will forgive you.
Mom, he needs some time.
I will go and change my clothes. See you.
Hello, it's me. I want to purchase Eric's house according to the court order.
They have 1 month. If they don't make the payment, then you can purchase that house.
I can't wait. I want to purchase that house as soon as possible.
Okay, sir. Let me talk to my lawyer. He will fix this case.
Perfect. I will call you tomorrow.
All right, sir. Good night.
Just wait and watch, Eric. You used my daughter. You played with her. I will destroy you.
Eric, we have only 1 month. I can't live on the streets.
Monika's father is very sharp. He knows about us. Monika can help us.
Eric, I can't wait anymore. We have to get Monika's property as soon as possible.
Monika's father is angry now. We have to be patient.
I give you 2 days. You have to do something.
Monika is crazy about me. She will do what I say. Just wait and watch.